Hi everyone, here are the instructions for your online class for this Wednesday, week 8B. When you go into eCentennial, you're going to see a couple of Excel files for this particular week, and if you're using a Mac, they are posted here. So there's two exercises, a broadcast calculation and a media terminology matchup. So let's take a look at the terminology matchup. So here you're posed with a term. This one is a term applied to the execution of planned media activity, usually compared to planned activities. So in the pull-down menu, you just need to find the term. Okay, so I'll give you this one. It's achievement. If it's correct, it will turn green. So just go on and select the correct answer for the remaining terms. Excuse me, and that's it for that one. For the second exercise, broadcast calculations, there are a number of tabs to consider. So if you look in background, it just provides you with different calculations, formulas, so it's just for your reference. This exercise has you calculating net and gross, so you can just place the answer in the cell and it should turn green. So I'm just going to test it to make sure it does turn green. So the gross is 1,500. I need to net that down, so it equals that times 0.85. Oh, good. It's turning green. Great. So just continue doing that for these ones, and then this one you're going to have to gross up, and then continue on down. This one is referring to all the data in this chart. So you're going to place your answers over here, and it's based on this chart. So what this chart is showing us is the a new half-hour show and the audience at each minute interval. So we need to know what the average minute audience is. That's what AMA stands for. So the easiest way to do that is just to calculate the average equals average, open bracket, and close that bracket. Okay, so the average minute audience for this particular show was 87,000. And I suggest linking this one up to here, so equals that. That way it captures all the decimals and things like that. So that's your first answer. Now I realized that because I have the data protected, you may lose some functionality in Excel, for instance, selecting the auto sum. That's why I just typed it in, taking the average of that show. Okay, take that out. And then you're just going to continue answering the questions, and it's all based on this chart. Cost per ratings. Okay, so now this exercise will ask you to calculate different things. So the GRPs, you have a rating of 2.3 spots purchased, so it equals how many ratings multiplied by how many times you purchased. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. It shouldn't take you long. It's just to get you to practice with Excel and of course your knowledge on calculating ratings and costs and things like that. Okay, so enjoy and don't forget to post it when you are ready.